Sunny Fit Fam, Coach Ashley Wimoni here, bringing you a 10-minute bounce basics workout. We're gonna keep it simple, we're gonna keep it light, we're gonna keep it fun. So looking forward to having you with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you stay up to date on all the latest Sunny Fit workouts. See you there. All right, guys, let's get right to it. We can start on our trampoline. We're gonna do a very quick little stretch and warm up, and we'll get to it, okay? So let's go ahead and just plant those feet on the trampoline, soft knees, abs engaged, and we're gonna get some deep squats right here. Just get as low as you can. Good, getting those legs warmed up, getting some blood pumping through them. Good, keeping that chest up, so doing your best not to drop that chest forward. Just think about sitting in a chair right behind you. Good, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those hands behind the head. We are lifting one leg and dropping it. Okay, so little twisty crunches here, working on the balance because we have an unstable surface, right? So this is really gonna help fire up those little muscle groups that help with stability. Good, 2 and 1. Let's go ahead and switch sides right here. Twist, nice and controlled. Keep that bottom knee nice and soft. Don't lock out that knee. You wanna keep it nice and soft so that the whole leg fires and works together. Last 2 and 1. Keeping those hands behind the head, we're gonna do some good mornings, which means you're gonna, again, keep those knees nice and soft but straight, and we're gonna hinge at the hips and straighten up. So this is to stretch those hammies, wake those hammies up. Nice flat back, neck is neutral. There it is. For 4. Last 3, 2, and 1. Good, inhale those arms up. Leaning over to one side, exhale, get a nice good stretch to the side body. Inhale center, and exhale, stretching over to the other side. Good, okay, let's go ahead and just start bouncing. Get a light little bounce going on here, just gently. Start to warm up to the surface that we're on. It's new. It's different, it's a little unstable, it's a little funky, so just get your body used to it. Maybe some toe taps here. There you go, there you go. Bring those arms up. So just keep those arms up as we're toe tapping. Keep it simple. Arms up always makes things just a little more challenging. It'll help boost your heart rate a little bit more. So if you ever want to make something a little harder, just bring those arms overhead. Good, right here. Bring those arms to the side. Now our arms might start burning up a little bit, which is great, because then we're just using the resistance of the weight of your arms for a little extra work here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we're gonna go through a push bounce, which is basically the basic movement on trampoline. It's kind of the foundation, it's where we come back to between choreography and all that stuff. So push bounce, pretend there's like a low ceiling over your head, and you wanna stay below that low ceiling. You don't want to hit that head. You're basically in like a mid-air squat. So you're driving your heels down, driving your heels up, your knees up, your chest stays open and up. Keep pushing those heels down. Push, push, push. It is going to be hard, but that's the idea. And you can intensify this. You can push harder, drive those knees up higher. Wherever you are is totally fine. Just feel it out and get adjusted to it. 4, 3, 2, let's go to some scissors, okay? So scissors look like this right here. Arms in opposition. Check it out from the side right here. So if my right leg is in front, my left arm is in front. Very similar to like running. Keep it going. Same idea in that your heels are driving down and your knees are driving up. So you can intensify this right here. Push them up, push the heels down, drive the knees up. Sharp elbows. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Toe taps right here. Good job, guys. 2 basics. Already gone through it. Whew. Good stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and start working on our runs. So we're gonna practice single leg bounces first. So starting with that toe on the trampoline. And the idea, the goal here, is to get that toe off the trampoline. So you're gonna work through the single leg bounce. It's gonna burn, but that's okay. We're working through it, okay? Put hands on the hips, wherever you need. If you need to bring that toe back down just for a little relief or some balance help, that's fine. Otherwise, hold that knee at hip height or as high as you can get. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides. Same idea. Arms out to the side if you're feeling a little more confident. Hands on the hips is fine as well. And if you need to like switch it out, like you could put your toe down, then bring the knee up, bring it down just for a moment. Wherever you are is fine, but when we rep it out, we workshop it, your body starts to get adjusted to it and it starts to get easier. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to those push bounces right here. Going right through it again. Now guys, we are already halfway through the workout, okay? We got a couple more basics to run through, but we're just getting used to our trampoline. So no pressure, take it lightly, enjoy this moment, enjoy this learning process. Push those heels down, drive those knees up. Keep that chest open. 3, 2, let's do some scissors, right back to it, right here. Keep those arms sharp. Keep the weight of your body even across both feet. So we're not leaning forward here. Keep that chest up. Keep the shoulders over the hips. There you go. And take your time. If you're not going at my speed, that's okay. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. All right, guys, we're gonna work on some running. So the purpose of our single leg bouncing is to get used to that movement where you're going from one foot to the other. So running just like you would run on flat ground, but we're getting our knees a little higher. As high as you can make them is fine. As slow as you need to go is also fine. And let those arms help you. All right, really good core activation here. I mean, with anything on the trampoline really, but you can really focus on it. Breathe. Again, if your legs are down here, keep it low. That's totally fine. If you find yourself weeble wobbling, that's okay. Take a second, reset, and try again. Breathe into the nose, out to the mouth. If you're feeling confident, take those arms out to the side. There you go, guys. A few more seconds right here. And we're gonna take those arms up overhead, just like I said. If you wanna make it harder, just take the arms overhead. If you're not here, that's okay. Just keep it at a regular run where you're moving those arms in opposition. That's it, you guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Easy stuff, right? Great, okay. Now we're going to move into our twists. So call them surf twists, whatever you want to call them. But same idea as a push bounce, right? Where you're pushing your heels down, driving knees up. But we're twisting our lower body, only the lower body, and then bring it right back. So shoulders stay facing forward. Same rhythm, same beat. Just getting a nice, good core twist here. Keeping the feet just a little over, a little past hip distance apart. So not right here, not too close, not too far away. Just about the size of the trampoline. Keep it going. 4, 3, 2, let's switch sides. Right here, come center, twist, twist. It's supposed to kind of look like you're surfing. That's why I call it surf twist sometimes. Here we go. Breathe. We got just a couple minutes left, guys, so we're just gonna keep running through these. Last 2, 1, come to center, shake it off. We're gonna run through the runs, and through the twists one more time, okay? Let's get used to it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Run it up, sharp elbows. Now see if this time around, the second set of runs, if it feels better, like if it feels more like you're already better at it than you were the first set. Take those little wins with you after every workout. Like, you know what, I feel a little stronger today. I feel like my knees are getting a little higher. I feel like my balance is better. Think about those little things as you go through your day or go through your workout. Breathe. Let's bring those arms out and up. Out and up. Again, if you're not feeling it like you're here yet, that's okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push, bounce. Push those heels down. Let's do our twist. Here we go. Right side. Twist, twist. And when I say right side, I mean you're twisting to your right side. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other direction right here. Keep pushing those heels down. Keep that low ceiling overhead. You don't want to hit your head on that invisible ceiling. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Finish off with some squats right here. Just finish off with a little bit of a more leg burn. You did awesome, you guys. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna give you one more move here just to finish it off. We're gonna kind of bring back our warm up. Single leg balance. Again, see if this is more manageable or more like your body's already kind of adjusted to it. See if it's a little easier than the first time we did it. Last 2, and 1. Switching sides. Bring it up. Remember that bottom knee stays soft. Getting a full twisted crunch here. Good. Last 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Inhale those arms overhead. Good job, you guys. Thank yourself, thank your mind, your body for getting you through it. You did awesome. I'll see you on the next workout.